In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable or disable VBS in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open the settings. How we can do so: at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Or either use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of that. You can find there a list of the option. Please locate for an option called privacy and security, which is next to accessibility. So click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see a list of the option again. Find for security and proceed to the first option, which is named Windows Security. Directly click on it, sorry. Under the Windows Security, you can find there different protection areas. Please click on Device Security. Afterwards, you would be able to be navigated to a new window, particularly at the Windows Security. Okay, we're here. You need to proceed to the Device Security. Under the list, you can find there Core Isolation. So please click on Core Isolation Details, and there you can see Memory Integrity. So if you would like to disable the VBS, just have to navigate to the switch and turn it off. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, so that you can disable that. Okay, once done, this change requires you to restart your device, close the window and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you'd be able to successfully disable the VBS here in your Windows 11. On the contrary, if you would like to enable the VBS, all you need to do is you need to click on this one and then turn it on. In that way, you'd be able to enable the VBS here in your Windows 11. Okay? So wait until it would be successfully enabled or turned on. In that way, just have to close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.